Well, I'm just really frustrated with the dealings on my property here. It's not like I want to make millions like I hear some people are making. I just want enough to rebuild, and basically I'm getting half price of what the value is worth.
Were you expropriated, or did you?
Yeah, no, I was expropriated in May.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is the consequence here. Yeah, kind of held out as long as I can, but now they want it, so it's going to come down, and basically I haven't got enough money to rebuild anywhere. So.
When you hear about businessmen making millions of dollars on the other side of town, what do you think?
Well, that frustrates me. I'm not asking to make millions. I'm just asking to allow me to rebuild. Just give me what it's worth and let me get out of here.
What's this experience been like for you?
Well, it's been stressful, yeah, very stressful. I mean, your whole life, you just kind of don't know where you're going to settle. I know where I want to settle, but it's getting there and having the money to get there. I was looking for, retirement years coming up, and it's going to take probably 5 years to get there if I can, with the money I have.